All right, guys, this is Kevin Canning, founder of Pearls of Joy, and we're going to have a close, zoomed-in look at some of these new pearls. This is the new exotic collection that I have coming out. We have these going on sale soon. Watch your email for details, guys. And the first strand is this jumbo 15 to 17 millimeter strand. Guys, I said this in the other video. This is easily a $100,000 strand in a high-end retail. We have it for a fraction of that price, of course. This is what I would actually call an investment strand of pearls. This is so rare, such high quality, and the price we're doing is so ridiculous that this is a strand that you can invest in and know that it's going to hold its value. But look at the color. Normally with large pearls, we lose color, we lose luster. Usually they're just big, but these are big and high quality. You can see the reflection in the luster. You can see just a little bit of blemishing, not very much, very minor. And then of course the color. That's the big one here with these. These are big pearls that actually have some color. I mean, look at that blue and pink pearl there in the middle. And then it's got a peacock one beside it. These are really beautiful. And let me give you an idea how big this is. So here is a strand that is 7 millimeter. 7 millimeter strand of pearls. This is the most common size of pearls that is sold in North America. And just look at it compared to this big strand. So it's comical how much of a difference it is. It's just night and day. So that gives you an idea. I mean, I hope I'm impressing you how big and special this strand is, because it is really exciting. And then look, you got that strand in front of it and you can see the reflection of the strand in the pearl. So they're big and they're super high quality. You're not going to see that very often. This is a real one-of-a-kind strand. So that's a look at that big one. What do we got behind it? We have, let's move this out of the way. We've got those Baroque South Sea pearls. Let's make sure we're in focus. And these are those really long ropes. Oh, this is one strand here, doubled over. And you have the Circle Baroque, which is giving it really nice overtones. And Orient, you're seeing that soap bubble-like effect. Look at that blue pearl in the middle. Just a little touch of blue overtone, and then if you rotate it, hopefully you can see it, but you can see that rainbow-like effect. That's Orient. That's coming from the thickness of the nacre. That's a quality that we're all looking for in pearls. It's very special, very rare. And these ropes, you could just lose yourself. Every pearl is different. So we have a bunch of these South Sea ropes going on sale. Everyone is different, but they're at a great price, and they're long strands there. I think they're all 35 inch. There might be a couple of 50-inch strands in the mix. So that is something to look for ropes. Another strand that I am super excited about, and my wife, Alana, is super excited about. I think she thinks she's getting it for Christmas, but we're going to see if we can sell it first. But look at the color. Look at the blues, the coppers, the purples, cherries, pinks. I mean, these are all, look at all these colors. And this is just one strand. It's doubled over, guys. It's just got so many colors here. And the quality is excellent. This is a gem grade strand. I'm not even seeing any blemishes on this strand. Perfectly round. This is an exceptional strand. This is a strand that'll make an impact. And then we have this other one. This is very, very rare. This is that silver white Tahitian pearl. So it's white, black Tahitian pearls. And very rare. Again, you'd need many years of harvest from many different farms to produce this strand. And really nice color, really nice surface, nicely matched. And good size too. It's not a small strand at all. And this is a strand that really pops. I mean, just look how it stands out even on that white tablecloth. It's just a beautiful strand of pearls. And then we have a few others. Strands like this one, classic Tahitian pearls, dark green, that nice 10 to 12 millimeter size. A really classic strand of pearls, just beautiful. But let's have another look at that big one before we go. Just look at the size difference in color. I mean, and the luster too. What's really impressive about this strand is the luster. It's so big, but it still has great luster and great color. That is a stunning strand of pearl. So, okay guys, well that's a quick look at some of these pearls, a close-up zoomed in look. Hope you find it interesting. Let me know in the comments below. And watch for an email coming from me. We're gonna have a special going out. This is better than Black Friday, guys. This will be a bigger discount than Black Friday, bigger than Cyber Monday. So if you're at all interested in these pearls, do not wait for Black Friday, because this sale is when you're gonna get the best price. This is the time that you wanna take advantage of the sale. Okay guys, my name's Kevin Canning. Thanks for watching.